One of these frozen worlds has polar bears. The other has none. One can still support human life. The other barely tolerates human existence at all. In some parts of Antarctica, rescue can take days. In others, it may never arrive. The Arctic is not a continent. It is an ocean surrounded by land, and despite its brutal cold, people have survived here for thousands of years. But survival in the Arctic comes with a different kind of fear, because here, the ice itself moves. Entire expeditions vanished while crossing the Arctic. Some ships were trapped in the ice for years. Others disappeared completely. During polar night, some Arctic regions remain in darkness for months. And many explorers described paranoia, hallucinations, and the feeling that the endless darkness was changing their minds. But compared to Antarctica, the Arctic is still alive. Antarctica is different. Unlike the Arctic, this is not frozen ocean. It is an entire continent buried beneath kilometers of ice. No permanent human population lives here. No cities, no forests, no escape. In one part of Antarctica, a waterfall flows red like blood from beneath the ice. Scientists call it blood falls. The water comes from an ancient lake trapped underground for millions of years. Antarctica also produces some of the most violent winds on Earth. Katabatic winds can exceed hurricane speeds, 320 kilometers per hour, powerful enough to erase tracks within minutes. In some regions, these winds are so extreme that snow and ice cannot remain on the surface at all. Entire valleys stay completely exposed. The landscape is so alien that NASA uses parts of Antarctica to test equipment designed for Mars missions. Isolation in Antarctica affects the human mind in strange ways. Some researchers reported hearing voices in the wind. Others described overwhelming paranoia during the long polar darkness. Beneath Antarctica's ice, scientists discovered enormous hidden lakes. Some have remained sealed off from the surface for millions of years. Nobody knows exactly what survived there. And perhaps that is what makes Antarctica so unsettling. Not what exists on the surface, but what remains hidden beneath it. The Arctic can kill you, but Antarctica feels different. It feels indifferent, as if humans were never meant to survive there at all. The polar regions remain some of the least understood places on Earth, and almost completely hostile to human life. This is Orbis Occulta, a reminder that even on our own planet, there are still places that feel completely alien.